And here we go. Hello. So start with spraying your face, squidge some brown goo, then some other dots under your eyes. Now she's packing the container, looking at it very happy. But now using an egg to brush something under the eyes, sponge it on, brush orange stuff on her face. Very good. Borrow soap, spray the soap, something else, shake the soap, scratch the soap, and then put mascara on your eyebrows, and then more mascara, and then orange goo that goes on your eyelids. Very good. Some red goo right in your eye. Brush your cheeks again with the purple brush. Yes, make the kissy duck face. Brush the nose, brush the forehead, little smile, and some more bronze glitter goo that goes somewhere. Now shake another container, brush yourself and some